Alright, we just wanted to show a PowerMac G3 accelerator card with the attached video card are both working. And we will just double check the clock speeds for you to prove it. Alright, 250 megahertz. So because this is a 100 megahertz logic board, it actually increases from 240 to 250. So this is available for sale, and also the 100 megahertz logic board is also available. So we have a 100 megahertz 8100 board. We've got a 240 megahertz G3 card that's working, and we have the matching video card that goes with it. And the video card also has S-video in and out for video capture. So that's very cool. Anyway, just wanted to show everyone that that's working. We'll also go into the control panel here and check out our monitor settings. So 640 by 480, 1020, we have millions of colors. There we go. Yep. Good stuff. Okay, so I don't know about this power switch business.